Do we have to do the crepes or can I just sit here and... Hello and welcome to WBMTV. I'm Fee and today we're going to be looking at this fabulous product, this popcorn and crepe maker. So let's get cracking and see what it's all about. Is it one of these things that's been given another name when really it's something that we just all simply have at home anyway? Now, I'm surprised at the size of it. I expected it to be bigger. I think the size of the box, I thought this was going to be like a large size kind of frying pan. So it heats itself up because you plug it in, switch it on, and then you've got a few tools here as well. Now, I believe these tools are all you need in order to make your popcorn and your crepes. We're going to give the popcorn a go now. We need to plug this in, we need to heat it up, we need to get some oil going, and then we can get some kernels in it and see whether it's going to pop. Going to try this time with some butter. Going to put that on and allow that to heat up. That's an indicator light there, and when that light switches off, that's when the pan is hot enough. You can put the butter on while it's heating up, so that's fine, we'll do that. I'll get my kernels ready. So I think it's important that you've got a really hot plate. Ah, it's off now. Okay, so let's put them on. Let's add the bowl, which we've already got the lid. Oh, we've got the lid on this. We need to take the lid off. Turn it so that that bowl stays there. Remove the lid so the steam escapes. Give it a move around to really coat those kernels in that butter. Okay, and then we're going to wait for 5 to 6 minutes and see whether this is better than the go we had before. Right. I'm going to say that's it, and I'm going to switch this off. Okay, and then I'm going to put this lid back on, turn this back to the arrow point, over like so, lift that off, and there we have it, popcorn. I've got the hot plate, the pan, whatever you want to call it, preheated. It says to do a level spoonful, but I'm going to go a little bit under that. Butter is on there, pan is hot, got the batter, and I'm going to pour it on and then give it a smooth round. Oh, no, maybe not. I think maybe it's better to give it a push around like this first. I think this is where I need to watch a YouTube video on how to make crepes. So I'm going to leave that for a little bit. It says 1 to 2 minutes. But then you've got to flip it as well. So I don't want to flip it too soon because it wouldn't be quite ready. Right, let's give it a try flipping it. Now, I'm pretty sure I can't do a flip thing like that. I don't think that's the best of ideas. I'm not going to try it. Let's just try turning it over. Oh, look at that, perfection. So it's lovely and golden on that side. It's cooking really nicely. We'll give it a little bit longer on this side, and then that is my crepe done. It definitely works. It's just whether you need this rather than your pan at home. Right, let's try taking it off. And there we have it. One strangely shaped crepe. It looks all right. Function, it does the job. There's possibly other things that would do the job just as well. Value for money, it's okay value for money. I'd kind of say it's middle of the road ratings wise. It's probably a middle ground. It's not the best, not the worst. You've been watching WBMTV. Please pop your comments below, like, subscribe, and do let us know if there's anything else that you would like us to review, because we review so that you don't have to.